Joining me now, president of Kaltbaum Capital Management, Fox Business contributor, Gary Kaltbaum. Gary, great to have you with us. This, I think, was one of those very special days that in what has been a lot of crazy volatility and some wild market moves. Today, the Fed and the jobs report coming together as one to boost prices. Your thoughts on the day?
Well, look, that employment number surprised the heck out of everybody, including me, and just far and away above any expectations. You combine it with a Fed who finally said something to the effect of, well, we're watching the markets now because they have been so far down. And you combine it how far down and you get what we saw today, and hopefully it continues. I'm not so sure we're out of the woods just yet, but definitely great to see. And I must tell you, for the last few weeks, we've been seeing durable goods down, regional numbers on manufacturing down, and then boom, the employment number that, basically blocked all that out. And again, that is great news, because there's nothing better than a ton of jobs being taken.
And as the president points out, looking at wages up over 3%. I mean, these are strong, healthy indicators, not only for the labor market, but as you're saying, projecting out across the economy. This means that we're in a lot better shape than a lot of the naysayers on Wall Street, and there have become a lot of them now, and in the business press, too. You've got to get a little bit of a kick out of the folks who are walking around talking about this as trade tensions. The market is just selling off on trade tensions and concerns about China and the United States. I think today should have put that little response to bed.
Even the media that have been calling for recessions gleefully shut up today and actually admitted that, hey, this was a darn good number. And basically that was across the board. I didn't hear one person say that. And look, next up will be the trade. If that gets done, that's going to be a big help. Without a doubt, that's been weighing on things. I've always talked about the word uncertainty when it comes to markets.
Sure.
And when there's uncertainty out there, businesses can't plan well. And I think that's been part of what we've been seeing for months. But if we can get some sort of deal where, I don't know if we're ever going to get there with no tariffs, but just getting towards that area, that will be big stuff also. So we're moving that, and hopefully sooner rather than later be darn good for the markets also. We're
going to find out just how smart Xi Jinping and his ministers are, because as you suggest, this looks to me like we're headed to higher tariffs, because the Chinese have been stubborn in their refusal to adapt to changed circumstances. At a time when the European Union has moved toward the Trump policies of balanced international trading systems, you would have thought that the International Monetary Fund, the World Bank would have followed suit as well, because what he is calling for is the 21st century in international trade, and this nonsense of quote-unquote free trade and globalism has been exposed for what it is, rhetorical devices, not a pragmatic and positive trading system.
Well, China cheats, and they've been cheating forever.
And they steal,
they
too.
do right by everybody. Exactly. They cheat, they steal intellectual property. Eventually they're going to have to start, moving closer to the real world, or else. I've watched their economy closely. It's falling off a ledge at this point in time, and that's not by accident. And also that the man who's running the joint over there, his popularity has been heading south too. So politically, he's got some things to think about, and that's why I think we're going to get something sooner rather than later. On top of the fact, communism doesn't work too well when all's said and done, and hopefully he recognizes what needs to be done.
Yeah, another failed statist state is not probably what the world needs, and certainly not what Xi Jinping needs. And by the way, there's I think there's a wonderful indicator within the Chinese system. The more bellicose their admirals act and speak, the weaker they're getting. And at this point, they're weakening, as you suggest, rapidly. Gary Kaltbaum, great to have you on the show. What do you see for next week as we wrap up?
I actually think we're going to see some more upside testing. I think we're getting some momentum here. But look, we are in about as news-driven market as we've seen. The president is out front and center every day. So I have a little motto about markets right now: don't blink, you never know what's next. But hopefully the worst is over. We can get going again to the upside, because I'm a big believer. I am so optimistic on the people of this country, as well as the corporations that are doing great things. I think the best is yet to come, and hopefully we're out of the soup.
Yes, I think this Trump economy, is exactly the prescription what we need as a nation and as a people. Gary Kaltbaum, thanks so much for being with us. Come back soon, please.